What up all? This is my 2003 600RR. I've had this bike since, I don't know, 2007 now. It's been sitting for about 3 years, give or take. Hasn't been started since then. I have a Camaro now that gets all the attention. I figured today, let's see what happens, try and fire it up. Battery is completely dead, which I thought it was charged, but got the jump box on and let's see what happens. Turn that on. Fuel pump works, that's still good. Moment of truth. Ooh, I got nothing. Well, that's dead too.
One eternity later.
Okay, we're back with round 2. Box should be charged. Let's give it a try.